Welcome to our tutorial about advanced use of the user coordinate system. Let's begin with a right-click on the ribbon, Show Panels. Let's select Coordinates. And let's take a home view. Now I'm going to place some geometry. AutoCAD has two coordinate systems, the UCS, or User Coordinate System, and the World Coordinate System. The user coordinate system you can change. The world coordinate system, that stays the same. To change the coordinate system, type in UCS into the command line. Now specify the origin of the UCS, let's say this midpoint. Now specify a point on the x-axis. Snap here, let's say. And next a point on the XY plane. And here is our new user coordinate system, or UCS. You can set the current coordinate system to the world coordinate system by clicking World. Let's look at some of our other options. Show UCS icon at origin. Show UCS icon. And hide UCS icon. Let's return to the first option. We can also rotate the user coordinate system along the X, Y, or Z axes. For example, we can just type 90 degrees here and press Enter. We're able to align the user coordinate system with a sketch, an object, or a face. Here I've got the option to select Next or to Accept. Let's go to the World Coordinate System now. To return to the previous UCS, you can click this button here. From the drop-down menu, we can select Top, Bottom, Left, and so on. We also have the option to change the UCS icon. We can use a 2D or 3D style, change the icon size, color, and so on. Let's change it back to white and click OK. Another option, we can shift the origin point, for example, to this point, let's say. We can change the orientation of the Z-axis. Let's return to the world coordinate system by clicking the world icon. Another option is 3 points, and we need to select our 3 points. There's the second and the third point. And here is our user coordinate system now. As you see, the UCS in AutoCAD is really versatile. And this concludes our lesson about the user coordinate system.